Meaning of Dominica.
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 Dominica. Dominica is a country in the Caribbean Sea, located between Guadeloupe and Martinique. The name Dominica is derived from the Latin word dies Dominica, which means Sunday. This refers to the day, Sunday, on which Christopher Columbus first spotted the island in 1493. Dominica is known for its natural beauty, including rainforests, hot springs, waterfalls, and volcanic peaks. It is also home to the world's second-largest boiling lake and a variety of unique flora and fauna. Dominica's economy relies heavily on tourism, agriculture, and offshore financial services.